The Toeside Air 360 combines a Toeside Ollie with a bit more than 180 degrees of rotation in the air and 180 degrees of sliding. To start, steer the kite up and back for some decent lift. Popping off is similar to a normal Toeside Ollie. Remember to bring the windward rail higher after takeoff for better control in the air. As with a normal Ollie, bend your front knee quickly. After takeoff, use your back foot to push the tail up and forward. Once you've completed the initial 90 degrees, start to push the nose down with your front foot. Doing this, you will land on the nose of your board with more weight shifted onto the front foot. Edge the board at the beginning of your slide and flatten it once the rotation is finished. Spinning further than 180 degrees before the fins touch the water will help a lot in sliding round and completing a full rotation. Shifting the weight onto your heels will also help to initiate the slide. Before you start to slide into the second half of the full rotation, grab the bar with your other hand. When the board has finished the full 360-degree turn, push the bar up so your upper body can finish the remaining rotation freely. Let's have a look at the kite steering. Like a normal Ollie, you don't need a lot of lift, but nevertheless you will still need to steer the kite all the way up to 12 o'clock, as this will help to rotate vertically around your center lines. To regain speed, steer the kite down at the end of the move. Let's remember the key elements. Use your backhand and back leg to initiate the rotation. Land nose first on your front foot. Push the bar all the way up to rotate freely. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.